In today's world, you no longer need manual labor to create PowerPoint presentations or to analyze data in Excel. Yes, you heard that right. You can now do these tasks simply by writing a few short prompts using AI tools like Claude. Let me show you how it works. First, go to the Claude website. Once the website opens, simply write your prompt in the prompt box. For example, this is the prompt I wrote. Create an Excel spreadsheet showing the stock prices of the top 5 major tech companies like Google and Facebook over the last 10 years and represent the data in the form of a graph. Now, watch what happens. As soon as I press enter, Claude starts thinking. It begins processing the request and starts preparing the spreadsheet. Within a few moments, the presentation of the data begins to take shape. At the same time, Claude even explains how it collects the historical data, how it organizes the information, and how it converts everything into an Excel spreadsheet. And here it is. The Excel sheet is now ready. You can see the top 5 companies listed here. Their stock prices over the last 10 years are included, and you can also see a download button. From here, you can download the file directly to your computer. You can also save it to Google Drive if you want. Let me download it. Now I have opened the file in Excel, and look at this beautiful graph. The style is very clean, the colors and fonts look professional, and the way the data is presented makes it very easy to understand. Now, here is another interesting thing. You can also create PowerPoint presentations in exactly the same way. Let me show you a quick example. This is the prompt I wrote. Hey Claude, can you make a PowerPoint about toddler development? That's it. Just a very short and unrefined prompt. You can write detailed prompts for better results. And now you can see Claude has started working. It is collecting information from the internet. Behind the scenes, it is essentially writing code and organizing the data. At the same time, it also explains the process. It identifies possible inaccuracies and corrects them automatically. And within a few seconds, the PowerPoint presentation is ready. Let's open it. Look at this. The font style is beautiful, the color scheme looks professional, and the slides are well organized. Let me download it and open it in PowerPoint. Here it is, a complete presentation about toddler development. You can see detailed sections like age groups, physical development, and many other important topics. The research is well structured, the data is accurate, and the presentation itself looks outstanding. So this was today's tutorial. I hope you found this video helpful. If you enjoyed it, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching.